In physical chemistry, many equations that we have to deal with involve exponents. This video is going to go over the properties of exponents in a similar fashion to when we worked with the properties of logarithms in a previous video. In actuality, the properties of logarithms are directly derived from the properties of exponents, so technically this video is more fundamental. If you want to challenge yourself, take the properties of logarithms video and show that all the properties of logarithms are derived from the properties of exponents expressed here. First, let's do a quick review of what an exponent means. Suppose we have 2 raised to the power of 3. This means that you take the base number, which is 2, and you multiply it by itself the same number of times that it is raised to. Thus, 2 raised to the power of 3 means that we should multiply 2 by itself 3 times. Next, if we multiplied 2 raised to the power of 3 by another 2, this would then be 2 raised to the power of 4. The next property of exponents is in regard to division by exponents. Suppose we have 2 raised to the 3 divided by 2 raised to the 2. We expand our exponents, and we can cancel terms in the numerator by terms in the denominator, and we see that we're left with a single 2, or 2 raised to the 1. Thus, dividing exponentials of the same base means that you should subtract the exponent from the dividing exponential from the exponent in the numerator. The next property of exponents is in regard to raising a number to the power of 0. This statement is defined to be 1. This property allows us to define the inverse of an exponential, as we can write the 1 as the base raised to the power of 0. And so using our rule of dividing exponents, we see that the inverse of an exponential is that exponential raised to the negative exponent. From these properties, we can also see that an exponential raised to a power can be simplified by just multiplying the original exponent by the power. An example of this is if we take 2 raised to the 3 and square it, we can expand this to see that the result is 6 2's, or 2 raised to the 6th, which is 2 multiplied by 3. Finally, we can talk about distributing exponents. If some value x and y are multiplied by each other and we raise it to a power, we can rewrite this as x to the power multiplied by y to that power. The same holds true for division, that x divided by y to a power is the same as x raised to a power divided by y raised to that power. Thank you for watching this supplemental video detailing the properties of exponents. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share this video as it helps considerably in increasing outreach. If you want to see more videos on chemistry and physics topics, please consider subscribing to the channel. I have linked my Patreon page in the description below, and if you would like to support educational content like this, please consider donating. Finally, please comment down below if there's something you feel like I could make more clear, or if there are other topics that you would like me to cover. Thank you.